MiriCanvas AI is the latest AI software making waves right now. And in this video, I'll reveal 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it before diving in. Whether you're a digital marketer or just looking for a cutting-edge tool to boost your workflow, this review will break it all down for you. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether MiriCanvas AI is the right fit for your needs. Now, before we get started, you can try MiriCanvas AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Trust me, you'll want to take advantage of that, especially after hearing what's coming up. First off, MiriCanvas AI is designed to streamline content creation using artificial intelligence to help generate highly engaging visuals with ease. Whether you're designing for social media, marketing campaigns, or website content, MiriCanvas uses AI to generate designs that are not only visually appealing but also tailored to the latest trends in the industry. So if you're someone who wants to save time but still create high-quality designs, this software might just be your new best friend. One of the standout features of MiriCanvas AI is its ability to automate design workflows. With just a few inputs, MiriCanvas can generate multiple design variations, saving you hours of work. You can tweak these designs based on your brand's specific needs, and the software uses machine learning to continually improve, meaning the more you use it, the smarter it gets. Another crucial point is its user-friendly interface. For a powerful tool like this, you'd expect a steep learning curve, but MiriCanvas has managed to keep things simple. You don't need to be a design expert to use it. The drag-and-drop interface and pre-built templates make it easy for anyone, regardless of their experience level, to create polished designs in minutes. On top of that, MiriCanvas AI supports integration with various platforms, including major social media networks and email marketing services. This means you can design content and push it out to your audience seamlessly, without jumping between multiple tools. That kind of integration is a huge time saver for digital marketers and businesses alike. When it comes to customization, MiriCanvas doesn't fall short either. You can adjust every aspect of your design, from fonts and colors to images and layout. The software's AI suggests adjustments based on what's working in your market, allowing you to fine-tune your designs for maximum engagement. Plus, you can use AI-powered insights to track which designs perform best. Now, one question you might have is, how accurate is the AI when it comes to understanding your needs? Based on my experience, the AI does a great job of interpreting your inputs and providing results that are relevant and effective. It uses natural language processing to understand context, meaning it can grasp what you want from a design without you needing to micromanage every detail. Lastly, MiriCanvas AI has an impressive collection of data-driven insights. These reports help you understand how your designs are performing across different channels, so you can optimize your strategy for even better results. In today's world, that kind of actionable data is invaluable, especially when you're making decisions to scale your business. If you're still on the fence, remember that you can try MiriCanvas AI for free through the link in the description. That's right, completely free with no commitments. I've tested hundreds of AI software tools over the years, and MiriCanvas AI stands out because it combines power and simplicity. If you're looking to streamline your design process, or just need an AI-powered tool that helps you work smarter, MiriCanvas is definitely worth considering. And if you're still exploring AI tools, don't forget to check out my list of recommended AI software in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've selected only the best ones that will actually add value to your workflow. Let me know what you think about MiriCanvas AI and whether you'll be giving it a try.